we're getting another early morning start. Today is the 4th day of fishing, and we're gonna do exactly what we did yesterday. Head out from where the boats are, all the ways upriver there, and then from there we're gonna change boats on the other side of a waterfall and then head back to the Payara grounds. So definitely want to get a Payara for me today, and maybe even a red-tailed cat. Definitely on my target list of the vampire fish.
Fucking piranha.
Hi, Mr. Peacock, little one that we got here. Me and Hubain. Hubinho, Pito, the peacocky. Tucanare. Alright, hold him. Mr. Peacock. Okay. Film me. Obrigado. It was nice watching the storm. Watching the storm roll in. Vai chuva forte. Chuva forte. Vamos ao barco? Ok. Ok? Ah, sim. Nós vamos ao lado. We're going. Well, the storm has arrived, and I think we're gonna call it a day. Literally, we're gonna just go around and to be at the lodge in 5 minutes. Ironically, this is the day I left my rain gear in the lodge because it's the dry season, but that's life.